Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create Samsung account in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to create your own Samsung account, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings. In settings, just tap on this sign into your Google Galaxy option, just tap on it. And here you must have to select the way in which way you want to sign in. In my case, I'm going to select sign in with Google. And here you just have to select your Gmail account. Once you have that, you'll get this loading interface. You must have to wait for it. And here you have to tap on this continue option. And here you have to select this select all option. Once you have that, you can see that there is see your language preferences and your age group and see and download your exact date of birth. Once you have selected, if you want to deselect, you can easily select that. But I'm going to select this all option and then just tap on this continue option. And after that, your account must be ready. You must have to make some simple steps. First of all, you must have to read all of the mm, policies and then tap on select I have read and agree to all the above. Then tap on this agree option. Once you have to register your phone number, and here you can easily select skip two-step verification on this phone next time. Then tap on this OK option. Then tap on this OK. Once you have that, your Samsung account will be completed. You can easily create a passkey, but I'm going to set a passkey later option. Just tap on it, and here you can see that your Samsung account has been ready. So in this way, you can easily create a new Samsung account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.